Welcome, Spiritual Game. You at Empress Star. Free Spirit I am. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. It's free. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for all my subscribers, my viewers, my likes, and even my game stalkers. Okay? From taking your energy and taking the time out your day just to focus on me. Okay, gang stalkers? Yeah, we got to thank those too. Okay? All right, so today it's all about herbs, and we're going to be talking about what you could do with these herbs. As you can see, my herb right here, this is my all-purpose herb. You can use it for your body, your hair, your skin, your nails. I love making all-purpose herb, okay? All right, but it's not fully ready yet. And you can use all type of herbs if you would like. When they come down, see, every time I try to make a video, they call in. We're going to decree and declare this code. Okay, back to it. You can use any kind of your favorite your favorite herbs and your herbs. I highly recommend olive oil because olive oil is very highly when it come down to spirituality. People make a lot of anointing oil when it come down to olive oil and so much more, and it's very good for like hair. But I understand that people, use other oil like coconut oil, like sunflower, avocado, and stuff like that. So feel free. I mean, it's your journey. Do what's best and free for you. Okay, what you love to do. Do what make you happy. Okay, everything is not for everybody. But before you even tap into making your own creation, you will want to do your research or do a skin test. Okay, excuse me. I highly recommend that. Okay, so bear with me, guys, because I'm not feeling a little well today. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna take my time. Ask the Lord to give me the strength and energy to get through this. Okay. Now, what you see right here, this is actually all kind of herbs. We have clover, we have thyme, salt. I always put salt when they come down to my herbs, especially when they come down to like cleaning your jewelry or just putting it on your altar. Even, okay, just by putting herbs on your altar, it actually keep your altar cleansed and purifies all impurity. Okay, and like say for example, you keep your altar like in your front, like the front run of your home as soon as you enter your home. That's very recommended to put herbs. You don't have to. I'm just saying it's optional for everyone. Do what make you feel happy. I like to put herbs like in a front room because that's the entry of your home. Like when other people are gonna come in, when you're gonna come in, you don't want to bring nothing from the outside. That's why every time before I know I'm a like when I know I'm gonna enter 3D and I know when I come back, nothing can follow me back. I always say a prayer over myself that nothing can follow me back because they do have these negative, spirits and energy that will follow you back home. That's why you gotta be careful what you tap into. Be careful who you're around. You know what I'm saying? Be careful even who touch you. Don't be letting people touch all on you and stuff. Okay, you don't know what kind of energy and spirits these people carry. And not only that, guys, like when it come down to your money, I did a video about that. Check out that video, the 2-in-1, where you could cleanse and purify your money, and also is a manifestation to keep the financial blessing coming in 100 times more. Okay, raise your price. I used to say 10 times more, but now I'm saying 100 times more. So raise your price, guys. Okay. All right, so as you can see right here, this is where I put my jewelry. Like at the end of the day, once I'm finished, or my crystals that I know I'm wearing the next day, or whatever case, it keep it cleansed, purified. It keep that positive energy, positive attentions in. You can make it within wherever I just made it in my glass bowl or whatever. I got some orange peels, as you can see, in there. Orange represent open roads and stuff like that. Orange also represents success. So you got to use what you like, the meaning of it. I don't just go around using any and everything. No, I always do my research, and I always, see what the pros and cons is and see what's for me. Okay, what's the meaning of it? That's what I go by, the meaning. Okay, so you can make it with any kind of herbs that you would like. It's good for like cleaning your jewelry. It's good for like keep your crystals clean if you're not wearing it. We want to keep our crystals, our spiritual jewelry, or it could be just jewelry that you wear. You could even put that in there. Okay. And like your spiritual tools, or just keep it at your altar if you want. You know what I'm saying? So when people come in your home, some people put the herbs by the door. So like when they come in, like whatever, all that negativity stays out. Some people make protection bowls, salt bowls, or whatever the case. Herb bowls is very great too. And you're not only using it for to protect your home and your altars, you also protect, like I said, to clean your jewelry, your spiritual tools, and your crystals. Okay, so some people call it dry rub. I call it my powerful herbs. Okay, keep the gratitude in your jewelry. Okay, And it also keep that positive energy, positive attention. It cleanses your ring, you know. And I also did check out that video too, where you can clean your crystals with dealing with water. Water is also powerful too for like cleansing your crystals and your you know your spiritual jewelry and stuff like that. Like when you take a shower, take a bath, you can just run it under water. Excuse me. Oh my God, my throat chakra. Let's keep it moving, okay? All right. And like I said, you also can make your own purpose, money earl, whatever. You know, this is all purpose. So this is for like whatever I use. If I'm using it for to like to cleanse and purify, you know, it's good for that. If I'm using it for money or for manifestation, you know what I'm saying? And you could use what I love about it. You know what you're putting into it. It's not like some kind of herb you get from the store and you don't know what's in it, but they say it's for money. They say it's for success or whatever the case. This is your own creation. At least you know what's, you know what I'm saying, what's in your herb, in your products, okay? And you know that it's natural. I love natural products because I have sensitive skin. I know a lot of you have sensitive skin, and that's why making your own products with natural products and herbs and stuff is very highly recommended, because half of this stuff is made in medicine. Not half of it, all of it is made in medicine. What you think aloe vera is? Some people say instead of taking pills, they take aloe vera in the morning for like headaches and stuff like that. Yes, it takes a little more effect than what you would take with a pill that's fast and quick, but it works. And it works for a longer period of time than pills. Okay? Or I made a video. Check that video out. Y'all be sleeping on these videos. Y'all gonna need it one day, okay? The green tea video, like so you getting icy hot, lubricating and stuff like that, that really make you uncomfortable with the burning sensation, the hot and the cold. You can actually make green tea oil where it's good for pain. And when I say it really do work, it really do work. Like if you're having a toothache, you can put that little oil on your jaw. And I'm telling you, watch how it starts to, like that pain just gonna, you know what I'm saying, gonna be lifted away. You know what I'm saying? So the green tea oil is very good. You can also use it for your hair, your skin, your nails as well. That's why I love all-purpose oil. But I'm still like, have to sit out. I love to let it sit out. I don't know about y'all, but I love to let mine sit out once I make it in the sun. Thank you, sun. Thank you, Mother Earth. And let that moon energy, thank you, Mother Moon of the lights. And, you know, just get that energy in to enhance the power of it. And not only that, if you don't want to do that, I get it. You can sit it on your selenite crystal or like whatever crystal plate that you have to charge it up. Okay. All right. And these are like all-purpose Earl. Yeah, I keep my little containers. I recycle my containers. I'll make a video about that. You know what I'm saying? Some people be sleeping on this container. They just take in, once they buy these containers and whatever dealer products from the store, they throw it away. No, I keep them. Okay, they come in handy. So this is like all like purpose, or I got all kinds. As you can see, the salt, this is like where you can use for spiritual baths. You could use it for like floor wash. You can put it like to clean your furniture, clean stuff down in your home. To oh, excuse me about that. I'm sorry. To like let me get this camera together. Just had to act crazy. Yeah, but you can use it for a whole lot of stuff. Oh, Jesus. Oh, boy. All right. There we go. Yeah, but you could use it for like a whole lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying? For those who don't have a tub, because everybody don't have a tub. Some people have showers. Okay, you could take and put it in a cup. You know, you can even make this out of liquid. Like put it in a big old. I put mine in a big old jar because I really love showers. Okay, but I love to take my spiritual baths. I love to you know, shave, soap, you know, when I be sick, you know, for healing, take a healing bath, take a goddess bath or something like that. And that's what I use it for. But if you don't have a tub, that's fine. You could take and put this like in a big old jug, you know, that you recycle, that you have, like a big old mason jar. You can even save a pickle jar. One of them big old pickles. Y'all know y'all be getting those big old pickles from the grocery stores and stuff. Save those, okay? And you could take in, you know what I'm saying, put the herbs in, put some hot water and let it sit for a couple of days, and it will actually make the shower wash. Where you just take in, once you cleanse yourself in the shower, as you praying, you just pull the, you know what I'm saying, the herb water over you, okay, the spiritual wash over you, or whatever you call it, okay? Now, I want to talk about these herbs, because I never know these herbs taste, and yeah, I do got a cinnamon in there, also. I love cinnamon, but I never know that, with star anise, correct me if I'm wrong, write in the comments, star anise, well, whatever you call them. Okay, no disrespect to the herbs. But I never know they were so sweet. Now, this the kick part about it. It don't actually, you know, taste that sweet, but like you could, like, say for example, if you make like yoni oil, you put in yoni oil, or like you use it, you can use it, if people who like use coconut oil to like brush your teeth or whiten your teeth, and you put like herbs in your coconut oil or whatever, we talking about the liquid coconut oil. And once you let it sit for a minute and it's done, and when you brush your teeth, you can taste the sweet